Hi. Hi, I'm Elizabeth. Elizabeth. Honest Liz here. So, would you believe it? This is my day 4 hair. Day 4. Like, I'm so pleased. Every time I used the CGM gel, I got like so many days, no refresh days. So, I had refreshed my hair like 3 days ago and didn't do much. I'm going to refresh again. I don't feel like washing my hair because it's like crazy definition, right? So I thought I will play with it today, and I thought I'm going to use a color to refresh my hair. Now this is the ash color. It's gray. So when you put gray on already dark hair like our kind of Indian hair, it enhances the color. So all this, you'll see how it looks when I show you. The key to this thing is that it works really nice on damp hair. Okay, don't put on really soaking wet hair, you'll not be able to see the color. So if you're using this color, make sure it's on damp hair. Now I'm going to quickly damp my hair with the curly girl movement, the curly girl spray. I just have like fresh drinking water in this, and I will quickly, just a little bit, spray it. Just to get it a little bit hydrated, a little tiny bit. Like, I don't want it soaking wet, otherwise it will not dry. You can already see the water is kind of reactivating the gel that I used like 3 days ago. That's the crazy thing about the curly girl movement gel. Like, if you use this gel, it reactivates with water. So this area is especially dry. So it's especially dry because it's my gray hair. These gray babies, they need a lot of care, a lot more than the normal curls. Alright, so before I jump in with the color, I'm going to quickly scalp massage, okay? Because that's like key to everything. Like, it forms like a base, then I don't have to get into my scalp again. So the scalp massage is always the first thing. And this is how you scalp massage. Just take a few drops. Yeah, color in like what, minutes. It's like I feel like a whole new personality. So cool. Yay. So this was a quick color transformation by this thing, Mofajang. Is I don't know how to say it right, but and this was the ash color. I used only like what, 3 times, maybe 4. I mean like 3 finger scoops for this result right now. And that's it. Like, you don't need to use a lot, and this expires in 3 years. 3 years, so it's gonna last you forever. Yay. Just make sure that you use clean fingers. Wash your hands before you get in there. Yay. So yeah, so what you can do is, if you have like a red color or a purple color, you can like do 2-3 colors and like do what you want. Like, you can do this, you can color your curls without damage, because this is like all natural ingredients. This thing has beeswax, okay? And beeswax is like, if you look up beeswax online, what are the benefits of beeswax, it'll show you how it has like hair growth properties. So yeah, so yeah, this is Grandma Liz. Right? Okay, great. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I did. And I'm loving this new color. I feel like a new person. So get it if you want. Okay, bye. Talk to you later.